Hi there, and welcome to M103 Basic Cluster Administration. My name's Matt, and I'm going to be one of your instructors for this course. Together, we'll learn about deploying MongoDB in various architectures and how to use the basic administrative tools at your disposal. In the first chapter, we'll discuss MongoD, which is the core database process that handles data requests and manages data access. We'll also cover important aspects of deploying a single MongoDB process, such as enabling authentication and exploring the database logs. In the second chapter, we'll discuss how MongoDB supports high availability by replicating our data. With multiple copies of data on different database servers, replication provides a level of fault tolerance against the loss of a single database server. In this course, we'll go through the general architecture and behavior of a replica set and the different deployment strategies you can use to better suit your application. In the final chapter, we'll discuss scalability and how MongoDB scales horizontally through sharding. In this course, we're going to cover topics like the architecture of a sharded cluster, how queries are handled, and how to choose the way your data is distributed. This course is 3 chapters long, and with each chapter there will be a new set of lesson videos. After each lesson, there will be a quiz to assess your learning of the material. Lab exercises are dispersed throughout each chapter so that you can apply what you've learned throughout. So let's go over a few logistics of the course very quickly. Who's the target audience? This is a basic course, so it's suitable for people on both development and administration teams. It's expected that you already have some basic knowledge or understanding of databases or a basic familiarity with MongoDB. For example, if you took M001 on MongoDB University and you feel comfortable with what you learned in that class, then you're in the right place. How does the grading work? There are quizzes, labs, and a final exam as deliverables on your part during the course. One half of your grade in the class will be determined by how you do in the labs, and the other half will be determined by your performance on the final exam. The quizzes are ungraded, and they exist mainly to help you track your own understanding of the material. Students with a grade of 65% or greater will receive a passing grade and a certificate of course completion. Throughout the course, we highly encourage you to participate in the discussion forum. We provide knowledgeable teaching assistants who are there to help answer your questions, but you also have your fellow classmates who are often very helpful resources as they take the course alongside you. By the end of this course, you should be familiar with the different tools and techniques used to administer basic MongoDB deployments. You'll be able to identify different MongoDB architectures and use the MongoDB shell to configure them. So without further ado, thank you for deciding to learn with us, and we wish you the best of luck.